Welcome to the Device Lab channel. Today, we will be examining the best open frame PC cases. Prepare for an insightful exploration where I will uncover their exceptional qualities and distinguishing features. Let's delve into the details. Let's dive into the Thermaltake Core P3, a gaming chassis that's as sleek as it is functional. First off, this case isn't just a box to stuff your gear into. It's a showpiece, with a 5mm thick tempered glass panel that lets you and anyone else who peeks over see everything from your GPU to your fancy RGB lighting. It's built to flaunt your hardware while protecting it. However, no product is without its flaws. The open frame design, while stunning, might not be everyone's cup of tea, especially if you prefer a more enclosed setup that reduces dust buildup and dampens noise. Plus, if you're a bit clumsy, you might want to think twice before putting something so exposed in a high traffic area. What sets it apart from other cases is its versatility in placement. You can mount it on a wall, or set it up vertically or horizontally. This isn't just a case, it's a flexible platform for expressing your unique style and tech prowess. Competing cases often lock you into a single setup, but the Core P3 says do it your way. In summary, this model is ideal for the PC builder who wants to make a statement. It's perfect for showing off high-end components and is built with modding and ease of access in mind. If you love tinkering and want your setup to be a centerpiece, this chassis might just be what you're looking for. Eager to know the latest prices of these models? Dive into the video description. I've included handy Amazon links for every model I've discussed. Feel free to click through while I continue with the review. The Thermaltake Core P3 Pro really takes things to the next level for enthusiasts and pros alike. At the heart of its appeal is its open frame chassis design, which not only showcases your components in all their glory, but also enhances component installation with its modular setup. This means you can tweak the layout to your heart's content, making it a dream for custom builds. On the downside, the very openness that makes it visually appealing can be a double-edged sword. You'll need to be diligent about dust management, and the open structure can potentially allow more noise to escape from your components, compared to a closed case. What sets this model apart from many other cases is its flexibility in fan and radiator configurations. It supports a wide range of cooling solutions, including space for up to a 420mm radiator. This makes it a superb choice for high-end gaming rigs or workstations that need optimal cooling for overclocked components. All in all, the PC case is perfect for those who are serious about their setups. Its ability to display components and handle extensive cooling solutions makes it ideal for anyone looking to build a standout PC that can handle intense computing tasks. Don't miss out, be sure to tap that like button and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with all my latest videos. Your support means the world to me. The Cooler Master MasterFrame 700 is a standout in the realm of PC cases, especially for those who love to show off their components. It combines the functionalities of an open-air chassis and a test bench. This flexibility is a game changer, especially if you're someone who constantly tweaks or upgrades your PC components. What makes it really special is its panoramic tempered glass and variable friction hinges that let you tweak the viewing angle to your liking. However, the open-air design may not be for everyone. While it provides excellent airflow and easy access to components, it does mean your components are more exposed to dust and external elements. Plus, the noise from the components is less contained than in a closed case. In comparison to other similar models, this case offers extreme versatility with its capacity to support a wide variety of motherboard sizes and an extensive cooling system, accommodating multiple radiators. This case also supports massive GPUs up to 450mm in length, making it suitable for high-end setups. The variable friction hinges and the ability to switch between different setups make it highly adaptable, whether you're a gamer, a developer, or a PC enthusiast looking to display your build. All things considered, this model is a great pick for tech enthusiasts who are into custom cooling solutions and displaying their high-end components. It's particularly suitable for builders who value adaptability in layout and cooling options. The Thermaltake AHT600 not only stands out with its helicopter-inspired design, but also shines in versatility and build quality. Its open frame structure and tempered glass panels are perfect for showcasing high-end components and elaborate cooling systems. The case supports a broad range of motherboard sizes and offers excellent thermal management capabilities, which make it ideal for both gaming and professional builds. However, its large size and open design might not be for everyone. While the size supports extensive customizations and cooling solutions, it also means it will take up a lot of space, and the open design can lead to dust buildup if not regularly maintained. In terms of uniqueness, this model's helicopter-style aesthetics set it apart from typical PC cases, offering a dynamic and visually striking setup. It's particularly suited for users who enjoy custom PC builds that stand out visually and functionally. Overall, this case is a fantastic choice for users looking for a full tower case that supports extensive customization and effective cooling solutions, perfect for those who want their setup to be a centerpiece of their space. The Antec Torque is a visually striking mid-tower case that boasts a high-octane design with a forward-tilted motherboard position and aggressive lines. Crafted from aluminium and sporting 4mm tempered glass side panels, it showcases a dynamic, open-air structure aimed at enhancing airflow and cooling performance. Now, while it's a stunner, this case isn't without its quirks. For starters, it's completely open-air, which means while you get fantastic airflow, dust accumulation can be an issue if you're not diligent about cleaning. Plus, the high-end aluminium build and glass panels, while gorgeous, do require careful handling to avoid scratches or damage. Compared to other mid-tower cases, this model stands out with unique design and construction quality. Most cases in this category go for a more conservative look, so if standing out is your goal, the Torque delivers with its eye-catching angles and open design. It also supports a wider range of motherboard formats than many competitors, adding to its versatility. In summary, if you're the type who loves to showcase their PC components and values aesthetics as much as performance, this model could be your dream case. It's especially suited for users who enjoy frequent upgrades or tinkering, thanks to its easy access build. Just be ready to keep that dust spray handy. As we wrap up, don't forget that you can find links to all the models I talked about in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And remember, I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.